Self-made millionaire fixing South Africa.
What it is, man. My name is Steady Sen. I'm a self-made millionaire and I'm rich, and I'm not gonna be apologetic about being rich. I'm a millionaire. You know, I always have an opinion. There is this song Birimaru. Hey, Focalistic Jima Shiho. So Pina A, I just see all these guys. Everyone is performing for a now. Everyone who get it roto side to side. So when I look at Focalistic, upukwa mo di gigging tse serious wa mona re ba mo kafile le bo 100,000. Ha o sheba Jima Shiho hayo wina Pina e o ibina ko Thembisa ko Alexander ko Soweto ko kai wa bona ra mfetu am sure ba mpatetse 12,000. So ke iputsa gore sometimes won't you be jealous if you feel like who's the owner of the song actually? I don't know who's the owner, or who feels like he needs to have more pie on the song, or you just have to fit makrokman me bampulela litsila le ban ropa or le ban kirang ki shapu as long as le nna ke krea borothonya, because ke a bona hore mfana o munyane ba ka se mo buke ko di gigging tse serious or atlo bina Pina e and le bona bo Focalistic abavai le yena. So that's my question gore why sometimes bo Focalistic ba buka ko ma 300,000 le bo ma 100,000 ba tsamaye le Jima Shikonyana le bona ba mtshwarise 50 mara asitaba yaka mara ke nona hore I'm sure le Jima Shiho wena na riding mara ya mo gobatsa and a go lo ibua because of we still want to atswelle le yena wa bona. So yeah, sometimes una le dilo tse dingwe o tshwantse re o ropeye so that o tswelle. Ha o sa ropeye mfanaka o tla kry o le ka montle and o skebe wa butsa hore how di split sheet di tsamaya jwang, because I'm sure Jima Shiho wa iputsa hore taba ya di split sheet nka jwetsa maphorisa na ore ba fetu kabza or mang yona tso di biggest producer gore ba fetu no alinka e khatinyana for Pina ena ke tlo janyana or maybe little trendisa fela. So sometimes you ask yourself those questions gore una le sebiti na sa ore o ba butsa gore ba fetu split sheet so di tsamaya jwang, or at least ba o fa fame ba o kensa dilong di 20,000 le di 10,000 ba o file value eo o tla ba o phanda ka yona, because ke bona bo Focalistic ba ya di gigging tse khruta ba violin mfethu. So ha ba fa violin mfethu fa ba buka le mfethu ba violin yena o ka re mo lo mongwe wa ijela ka Pina e mara who's the owner of the song? That's supposed to be like if re buka re a tseba hore ke eno tlo re thabisang. Do we book Jima Shiho or we book Focalistic? Who can make the more song exciting? But I feel for my own opinion, Focalistic Jima Shiho are fake. So at least see are commenting between Jima Shiho, le Focalistic. How book one of these two? Which one do you feel is more original that will represent the song well? Because ke bona ka ofela ba phanda ko pineng ina. And who sena motho o na le taba ya hore o irala. So it is what it is. Ke a tseba mo dipilong ba na le utsha gore why Pina e ke sa iriso ke sa ire mara ke Pina ya ba no mo tshela moya mfana o Jima Shiho mara wa tseba ko makrokmaning a o ka bolela thata mfana ka next go to ikere o le strateng o sa bookwa anyway ba make sure gore ba senda di email mfana ka. So make sure that we tshwara so ska bolela thata, otherwise you can lose everything. So it is what it is. Self-made millionaire, cash money. That was just my opinion. You know, I'm brutally honest. When it comes to needy, hakimo hayeng ha needy. So ke a tseba hore bana le di needy tse so mara ba ka se bue ka tsona ba tshela ka moana. So it is what it is. That's what I see. Between Focalistic and Jima Shiho, who will you book for this song? Constant pump. You know, I'm not a Kwaito guy. I don't listen to those nonsense. But I just find myself in between because those are the trending thing in South Africa. So I just want to know, between Focalistic and Jima Shiho, who would you bet your money on in terms of booking? Atlotlo bina Pina e. For Jimashiko, that song becomes too cheap. With Focalistic, it has value. So it is what it is. That's my own opinion. So I can say, I don't know.